This car uses NASA's technology and is worth $3 million. Hyperion XP1 is a water-firing hydrogen car which goes from 0 to 100 in just 2.2 seconds. Wait, did you say water? Yes. This car runs on hydrogen with a top speed of 354 km per hour and has 2038 horsepower. But how does this work? Well, most hydrogen today is derived from fossil fuels like natural gas. But when run through fuel cells, the hydrogen immediately gives back that energy in the form of electricity as soon as it combines with oxygen. Hence, water vapors comes out of the exhaust pipes, which means zero emissions. By the way, this is not the only hydrogen-powered car out there. There are about 15,000 hydrogen-powered vehicles in the US from brands like Toyota, Hyundai, or Honda. The biggest challenge with the hydrogen cars is a supercharger network like electric cars. Similar to Tesla, Hyperion has plans to build its own network of fueling stations for hydrogen cars. But what's crazy is that the range of this hypercar is somewhere around 1500 kilometers, and Tesla is nowhere closer to that range as of now. They haven't yet revealed the price of this car, but the kind of technology it uses, it is speculative to be on the upwards of $2 to $3 million. What do you think about this hypercar? Tell me in the comments.